In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to prompt for file name in Camtasia 2022 when recording tutorials. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So this is the Camtasia recorder, and if you'd like to save your Camtasia recordings and have a prompt so that you can save with a custom file name, then it's pretty easy. Just go to Tools, Preferences, and they just have a couple of things there, and then click on Files. Now, for the output file name, by default, it's automatic file name. So this will give you something like a rec, and then the date, whatnot, etc. Just click on Prompt for file name, and once you do this, once you're done recording your Camtasia tutorial in Camtasia 2022, you're going to be prompted for file name, which makes it easier to save your work and never ever be confused where your work is. Once you're done, click OK, and that's it. You've saved your settings, and then once you do your recordings, Camtasia is going to prompt you to input a file name. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.